VantageScore and FICO are both credit scoring models that are used to generate credit scores for consumers. While both models are widely used, they have some key differences. Credit bureau participation. FICO is used primarily by the three major credit reporting agencies Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, while VantageScore is also used by these three credit bureaus. Some smaller credit bureaus also use VantageScore. Scoring range. VantageScore uses a range of 300 to 850, similar to FICO score, with a higher score indicating a lower risk of default. Credit history requirement. VantageScore 4.0 is designed to generate credit scores for consumers who have limited credit history and can utilize various alternative data to score those consumers, such as rental payments, utility bills, or telecommunications payments. While FICO models require a certain amount of credit data to generate a score. Treatment of certain factors. VantageScore 4.0 and FICO score have some differences in how they treat certain factors, such as credit inquiries and medical debt. VantageScore 4.0 may assign less weight to certain factors, such as the number of credit inquiries, than FICO score. Scoring model versions. FICO score has several versions, each tailored to a specific industry or lender, such as auto loans, mortgage, and credit cards. VantageScore also have versions to cater to different industries and lenders. It's important to note that the differences between VantageScore and FICO score are not always significant, and many lenders use both types of credit scores when evaluating credit applications. It's also important to remember that credit scores are only one factor that lenders consider when evaluating credit applications, and both scores may be similar in many cases.